Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning to all of you. A very good morning to all of you. Children, yesterday we have learned how to name these angles and how to find the vertex and how to find the arms. Make that remove this background, please. And in the worksheet, I have asked that please write the vertex, write the sides and arms. So if there is a naming given to them, some name is given to them, then only you will able to write the names, no? If you have your name, like Dharya, Trisha, Dhyan, they have their name, then only we will call them with their names. Otherwise, we call them boy, come here, right? Or a girl, come here, right? Until we don't know the name, we will not able to call with their names. Until you don't know the names, you will call it as a vertex, and these you will call it as arms, because you don't know the names of these arms, right? You just only call them vertex and arm. But if you know the name of the vertex and know the name of the arms, it will be easy for you to call with their names. That is why in yesterday's worksheet the names given to them. For example, this meeting point of two rays is O, and this is not 0, this is O, and this is A, and this is B. Now if I say what is the vertex here, it will be easy for you to write its name. That is O. And now if I tell you what are the two sides and the arms given here, so AO is one arm and OB is the another arm. Got it? If the names are given to them, it will be easy for you to give the names to them.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aryaman?
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can we write only A?
No, we cannot write because this complete is the arm, no? You can write OA or AO, but you cannot only write A. Either you start from O, OA, or OB. You can give it the name like this also. Or AO, OB, or BO, OB. This way you can give the names.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? But you cannot only write when the arms are given, you cannot write B and A. No. Arm is the complete arm. Starts from here. So these two names together will come for one arm. And OB is the another arm. Got it? Yes or no? Show me thumbs up if you all are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhyan Dalal, you are clear?
Ma'am, ma'am.
I have done the worksheet by my own. I was
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. I'm late.
I check Lakshya also somehow done good.
Ma'am,
Lakshya's
in the
worksheet.
worksheet, I have
Yes, there. Wait, Ayush, wait.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. Ma'am, we have to with the angle we have to write. We have to do
For right angle sign.
and
Angle sign.
we have to not write a right angle, left angle, right angle.
No. That one. Okay, in that one worksheet. Okay. Well, let's get through that. Lakshya, clear.
Yes.
Yeah, Lakshya.
We have to write angle. That right angle, left angle, right angle, straight angle, or obtuse
No,
angle.
in this, you just need to write what they have asked. This vertex and sides only. And the another
No,
worksheet.
that one. Ma'am, another one worksheet.
Yeah, in that worksheet, what problem you facing?
We have to write angle word also.
Yes, you have to write word angle also. Right. I have observed many of you have just written RIGST right. But what right? Right angle. You need to write the full spelling. In the second worksheet, if you have observed, please stable your cameras. Are you stable your camera, please? Sit at one place. in second worksheet where they're asking observe the angle and write its name, in that worksheet you need to write the full name of that angle. Right angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, not only obtuse. What do you mean by the word obtuse? Okay, if I don't call Daria with his surname, will it be fine? Renu, there are 3 Renus in our school. If you don't call with the surname, will you able to recognize the which Renu we are talking about?
No, ma'am.
So please write with their angles also. Right angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, acute angle. Write the full spelling. I have observed many of you have just written right, obtuse, acute. Yes.
It is like that only in the if we write 1, then 1 centimeter we put instead of centimeter
Yes.
it is angle.
Yes. If you don't write with the proper thing, then your answer will be wrong. Yes, Rudra Jajadia, you were asking something.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you had draw that picture in that O is at the vertex place and A is at the arm place. So we need to write OA. O is at the vertex
Just now
place.
I explained this is the O, this is the A, this is the B. If you want to write the side and the arm, either you write OA or AO. Both are right.
The vertex is O.
Vertex is O.
I
I'm talking about
OA or AO, both are right.
both are right. OA or AO, both are right. But this is one arm only. Either you start from here or start from here, the name will be of one arm. Or same in the second arm, if you start from here, OB or BO, the name of the one arm. Got it? Clear? Ayush Singhania, what you were asking? Now,
Ma'am, I was asking that actually I joined at 9:32. So
no problem. Now I have not just, I was discussing yesterday's work with them. Yes, Aryaman.
in the worksheet number 1, I have written only A, not OA.
So do it, resubmit it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, there.
Ma'am, look in your board you have drawn us half triangle, right? So if we do by 5 sides, then how we can do?
Which triangle?
You are making like you are showing these angles, right? But if how we can do if there are 5 angles like this, 1, 2, 3, and 4 like that?
So what
And
you
how
want
we
to
can
do?
do?
What you can
Means
do?
how we can do the I thought I don't know how to do like that. Means if I draw a hexagon, so 1 is O, 1 is A, 1 is B, 1 is C, 1 is D, and 1 is E. Then how we can find the vertex?
So all are vertex in this. You want to ask like this, na? 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. So these all are vertex. Because this is one angle. This is another angle. This is another angle in these two. Another angle in these two. These all are vertex. If you only measure this angle, then the vertex is E. For example, A, B, C, D, E, F. So if you are talking about this angle only, so the vertex is A. Talking about this angle, the vertex is
Then
B.
ma'am, how? So then if we want to write the sides, then we can take any vertex.
No, yeah, if we want to measure the sides, this angle, so you take these sides,
Okay.
FA or AB.
So
And
like
if you
that,
want to this angle, then the sides are this and the angle is this. Sides are this and the angle is this.
okay, ma'am.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, Rahil.
Ma'am, my worksheet is right now.
I need to check Rahil and I'll
Okay,
tell you. Okay. Okay. Now we start. Mute yourself. Let me start the today's topic. And children, I request you from now onwards, we make a rule. If you have any doubt from the previous class, for example, if I am teaching something today, if you have any doubt related to today's class, and we get the time over and your doubt is not able to clear, so we make a rule in your next class at 9:30, or I think we always have a class at 9:30 only, except one day, right? Our except Thursday we have always at 9:30. So make a rule, if you have any doubt from your previous class, you join 10 minutes before. Got it? Are you all clear? Join 10 minutes before. I'll clear your doubts, because I always join at 9:20. At your 9:30 timings, I join 9:30. So please make a rule. If you have any doubt which is not able to clear in your previous class and we don't have, so come early 10 minutes before in the next class. Got it? So now today is our topic is how to measure the angles. How to measure the angles. Means, see, suppose for example, this is the angle given to you. By looking at this angle, you can visualize. I will name them AOB. By looking at this angle, you can say that which type of angle is this, because we have learned. Ekansh, can you please put this aside? I know that you have made the tester. You please put the video or the photo in the classroom. Now please pay attention here. Khevna, Priya, Gunav, Jahan Agarwal, Nishika, turn on your camera. Mohit, Anushka, turn on your camera. Pranav, yes, Ayush. Yes, Ayush.
I can't see you. I can only
You
see
pin
the
on
R.
me. You pin on me. Pin on my screen.
Your screen is blur.
Mark on my
Ma'am, I've pinned on you.
Ma'am, your screen is not clear.
Now check, please.
Ma'am, everything is clear only.
Maybe because of network issues coming for 1 or 2 seconds. After that, it will be fine. Now, please write in the chat box. If I ask which type of angle is this, you have learned the different types of angles. If I ask, I have made this. You don't know with the measurement that this is of how much degree. But you know which type of angle is this. Please write in the chat box. Please write in the chat box which type of angle is this. Vedi, write the full name. Full name, not only acute. But I have seen Vedi is sending me excellent work. Very good, Vedi.
Ma'am, because the tuition ma'am
Helps you, right?
Yes.
You pay attention in the class also, and you are learning good.
Then the tuition ma'am said it is so easy.
Yes. So I think everyone has written the name of this angle is acute angle. Acute spelling is wrong, Rahil. ACUTE, acute. Please learn these terms, spellings. You need to learn acute, obtuse, straight and right angle. Unki spellings learn kar leni hai. Got it? So this is an acute angle, you know. But now we want to measure that how much degree this acute angle is. As I explained in my last class, that degree sign, if it is a 45, so we write 45 degree, the small circle above the number. So this is the degree sign, or it is 45 degree. But we don't write the spelling of this. We write the sign, which is symbol, which is given the small circle above the number. Got it? This degree sign is clear to you all? Okay. Now we want to measure this, how much degree this angle is. There is a one instrument given in your geometry box. This is called what, which is in my hand. Can you all observe this and tell me which instrument is this?
Predator.
What, Jandalal?
Predator.
No, spelling is wrong. You are more clear, but your pronunciation is wrong.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm leaving and joining again because I can't.
Protractor.
Okay, please. Okay.
Protector.
Protractor. Tractar. Spelling is wrong. Protractor. Yes. Protractor. Protractor. This is a protractor given in your geometry box. In this geometry protractor, if you have protractor with you right now, please take it and observe something is given in this. And please ask question on the basis of this. Ready, don't write. Yes, there is.
Ma'am, there are numbers written on it.
There are numbers. It is in.
On this,
First of all, it is in which shape? First of all, it is in which shape?
it's semicircle.
And after that, have you observed something is given in this?
Yes, and it is rainbow.
No, I am not drawing in a rainbow. It's a semicircle only. The numbers are given in this. Have you observed the numbers are given in some way, in some systematic ways? And can you please explain me?
Multiplication way.
All are talking together. Raise your virtual hand. Teacher will tell
Table
you.
of 10. In
Yes.
the down, it is table of 10. From
Yes.
the right side. From the
Now,
right side.
see, there are starting from 0, then 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, 50. And this way, when they come in the middle, I'm not properly writing. I'll show you the image of a protractor in the, wait a minute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Let me complete it, then ask your doubt. Because until now, I have not explained anything.
Ma'am, in the middle of it, it is written 90.
Yeah, let me share with you all.
Ma'am, it is like the degree written, like in the middle it is 90 and the right angle is like 90 degree.
This is the protractor image, okay? When you see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. This way it will go till 180 degree. Then again, this side, this is called inner scale inside because it is. And when you go, when you see in your protractor, there are outer numbers also given. Outer number also starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
And
80.
it's also 180.
Yes. From both the sides, it's 180. Then why there is a use of giving the protractor the numbers in both the sides? Now listen first and then ask your queries. Listen there, yeah? Put your hand down, listen it, then ask your queries. So both the sides, the numbers are given. Now both the sides, why the numbers are given? Because if your ray, for example, I want to measure this angle. I want to measure this angle, how much degree this angle is. And my ray is here. My another ray is here. Why I am putting arrow? Because these both are rays. Ray is having one fixed point and second point is not fixed. So we put an arrow because it can be extended to any number of length. Kitni bhi length ki hoti hai ray. That is why it's the arrow here and the fixed point here, which I name it as O, which I name it as this ray is B, OB. Now I want to measure this angle, how much degree this angle is. So how I put the protractor on it to measure this angle? Please, I'm going to stop my presentation so that you can able to see me. Now, how I will measure this angle, please observe this carefully because your today's worksheet is based on this only, how to measure the angles. Now, here in the middle, now my screen is coming clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Now, what you do is you hold it towards the right side. Sometimes I see children hold it towards the different side where the numbers are written ulta. Please observe that number सीधे हैं कि नहीं, वही side आपको लेना है. Am I clear to you all? जहाँ numbers सीधे लिखे हुए हैं, where you can easily read them. Wait a minute. All doubts after the class. After my session, all doubts will be clear. One way, there are the numbers which you will see ulte dikh rahe hain. You will hold the protractor in such a way where you can able to see all the numbers are visible to you clearly. Sahi dikh rahe hain. Then what you do, there is a center given here in the middle, right? In the middle, there is a center given. What you do is that center, you need to keep it here on your vertex. You need to keep it on your vertex, this center. And your this line, hide this ray also. You don't keep this way. You need to keep your protractor, this baseline on your ray. Exactly on your ray. उसके नीचे छुप जानी चाहिए. आपकी इस लाइन पे आपकी ray छुप जानी चाहिए. उसके ऊपर ही रखना है. Then from this vertex, now you notice that another vertex is going where? And put a mark here. And now you can see it is going to the 40 degree. So we mark it as 40 degree. 40 to 50, there are some small dotted lines are given. That is 45 degree. Sometimes you may notice that when you keep this here and it is coming on the between here, between 40 to 45, no problem. Mark a point here. This is the 45 degree. Got it? Yes or no? Till now, everyone is clear. Now ask your doubts.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, my camera is not working. I want to talk. That ma'am, can we measure the same to same with scale? If we change the scale and write the number from 10 to 180, then
No, we cannot measure
it.
This is the protractor only in the instrument to measure the angles, not the scale.
Okay, ma'am. So, but ma'am, why the shape is only semicircle? Why it cannot be straight, triangle, or something else?
Then only it is giving the angles directions to you.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Now, Nishika, wait a minute. Now, my next is, we were discussing about the inner scale and the outer scale, right? The inner scale may be number hai, outer scale may be number hai. Now, this side also 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and always here at the straight 90, then 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 70, and so on 80, 180. Semicircle की shape में. Then this, again, this is the outer circle, same उसमें भी 0 से लेकर 180 तक है. Now, the use of both the sides is this. अगर आपका angle ऐसे आपने बना रखा है और उसका arrow this side है, so you take the arrow from 0 से ही measure होता है हमेशा angle. Always sit properly, everyone. Always we measure it from the 0. So your arrow is here, your vertex is here. Suppose I make the angle this. So now you put it at the center here. Your arrow का direction, आपका ray का direction किस तरफ है, वहीं से ही 0 देख के हम angle पता करेंगे. Sometime you get the angle direction in this way. आपको ऐसे भी मिलता है, right? Yes or no? Now, how you measure this side of arrow? You see the arrow, ray direction. अब यहाँ पे जो रे है, आपको हमेशा बेस देखना है, 0 देखना है किस तरफ है. अगर 0 इस तरफ है, for example, your ray is here and the 0 is here. So in this case, you will see the outer scale. If my angle is like this, so it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 here. इसमें भी 90 बीच में. You please observe this protractor properly. Then दोनों, चाहे inner case हो चाहे outer case हो, दोनों case में 90 जो है बीच में ही है. Can you all able to see that? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So in this case, when you are taking this as the baseline and see the arrow, your arrow is this side. So you take the 0 from this side and now tell me how much degree your angle is. Tell me please, I'm asking from you all now. It will go here.
50.
Ma'am,
Yes.
120.
No, this 120 is for inner scale when your arrow is this side. So when your arrow is towards the right side, right? When your arrow is towards, then you are taking the 0 from here. And then it is coming from 120. But your arrow is here. Your angle is this side making. This is the angle. So this is your baseline. So now your angle will be, you will see the outer
50
scale now.
degree.
50 degree. Got it? Wait a minute. I'll show you the video also so that you can understand it in a better way.
One. A protractor
Is it audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I will mute myself.
is used to measure angles. 2. Angles are measured in degrees. 3. Each tiny mark on the protractor shows 1 degree. It has markings from 0 degree to 180 degrees. We can read 0 to 180 degrees from left to right and also from right to left. 4. While measuring an angle, the central point is placed on the vertex of the angle. Now, let's see how to measure an angle. Measure the angle PQR. To measure an angle, we need to follow a 5-step process. Step 1. Place the central point of the protractor on the vertex Q of angle PQR. Step 2. Ensure that the 0 degree line coincides with one arm, say ray QR. Step 3. Count from 0 degree on the right side as ray QR points to the right side. Step 4. Read the degree measure that coincides with ray PQ. Step 5. Write that measure as the measure of the angle in degrees. Thus, we get measure of the angle PQR is equal to 75 degrees. Let's measure few more angles. Look at the figure. On measuring, we get the measure of the angle PIV as 90 degrees. Look at this angle. On measuring it, we get the answer as angle LMN is equal to 145 degrees. Wasn't it fun measuring angles? In the next session, we will learn how to construct an angle.
So now you understood how to measure the angle?
Yes, ma'am. I also know
Yes,
answer
ma'am.
also.
Now wait a minute, let me take the attendance for a minute, then I will explain you why
Ma'am,
sign of the
I
angle.
have a doubt.
Yeah, wait a minute.
Ma'am, I have a doubt too.
Me too.
So I don't have doubt.
Ma'am, I
Because
can't
answer.
understand this.
You didn't understood, Samriddhi? Okay. Now listen here. First, let me explain those who have understood. Let me explain them the angle sign. See, this is the angle.
Renu, ma'am.
Can I explain? More doubts will be clear in the next class. Okay. This is an angle. Angle name is APQR. Okay, we do. And I tell you to measure the angle PQR. This you have observed in the video also. This is the angle sign we put before the angle PQR. And why Q is in the middle? Q is a vertex, that is why Q is in the middle. PQR, or we can tell the name of this RQP also. But always remember the vertex will come in the middle. After writing the name of this angle, that is PQR, always remember, I am again repeating, always remember the Q will come in the center of the naming because Q is the vertex. It can be any name A, B, C also. So you will name it as angle. This is the angle sign.
This vertex is B.
Yeah. So how you will name Lakshya this angle? Angle.
Ma'am, can I
A plus B.
Not plus
A B C.
A, B, C.
Ma'am, maybe
B will come in the middle.
or ma'am we can say
Or-
CPA.
Yeah, but always remember the vertex will come in the middle. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, yes, and this is the angle sign. Got it? Yes, yes, Dhere, what is your doubt? Then I will.
Ma'am, I didn't understood still how to measure the word.
Now you all are. Okay. Do
When
one
I
thing.
was explaining my whole, everything was blurred.
Okay. Now it is coming clearly to you.
Yeah,
Now,
ma'am. Now
everyone is having a notebook with them. With
Yes,
the
ma'am.
pencil, with the pencil and scale. Don't take the protector right now. Yes, Dhyan, your doubt will be clear when I explain this. Please do along with me. Dhyan Dalal. Please do along with me what I am instructing. Take a notebook. Everyone, please open the notebook. Open notebook, everyone. And please draw two angles. One is having facing this side, right side, and one is facing towards the left side. This angle and
and
this
do
angle.
right angle. Do this one right angle.
No. Please draw these two angles. Samriddhi, you're just sitting. How you will understand them? Take pencil and scale. With the scale, not with the protractor. With the scale, draw these two angles. One is facing towards the right side, another facing towards the left side. You can see that this angle is open inside. This is opening outside. Can you all able to see this? Yes or no? Please draw these two angles and name them. A, B, C. And this is P. Please put an arrow also when you're drawing the angle. These are rays. That's why you need to put the arrows. P, Q, R. Draw fast with the scale. Then after that, take the protractor in your hand. Look here, Karnav. I can see you. You're still busy.
Ma'am, I can't find notebook.
You don't have notebook with you?
Ma'am, I can't find my notebook, so can I do it in?
Any rough notebook you can do and do it
No,
later
ma'am,
on.
I can't find it. Ma'am, I'll do it on a paper.
See, after drawing these two different angles, take the protractor in your hand. Dhyan Dalal, I'm instructing something. Please pay attention here. Take protractor in your hand. And in this angle, you have to put this center here on the vertex and put your arrow line, put your ray line under this, above or this line. And now check where this ray is going. The second ray is going. Samriddhi, now check where the second ray is going.
125 degree.
No, then you're right. You are observing the baseline from your right side. In that case, Dharya, mute your mic, please.
Ma'am, I didn't understood means which ray.
Look
Which
here.
side?
Look here.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, when your one ray is coming under this, you need to observe the second ray. And you need to see the inner scale. There are scale words given, inner scale and the outer scale. When your arrow is towards this, so आपका zero कहाँ है? Always start from the zero. Always start from zero. Dhyan Dalal, use the protractor. Observe here. Take your protractor in your hand.
Ma'am, 120.
जीरो कहाँ है? अगर ये लाइन से स्टार्ट कर रहे हो तो इस लाइन में जीरो कहाँ है? जीरो वाले साइड से आपको देखना है. जीरो किस तरफ है? जीरो इनर स्केल में है कि आउटर स्केल में है?
Inner scale.
सो इनर स्केल से अब आप इनर स्केल को ध्यान में रखते हुए सेकंड रे का देखिए कहां पर आ रही है.
Wait.
130 or 120.
There you still not observing where the zero is. Always we make the angles from zero side. Zero कहाँ है?
75 degree.
No.
90 degree.
No. See, the zero is where? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40.
40.
It is 40, around 45 degree और 40 degree. क्योंकि जीरो कहाँ से स्टार्ट हो रहा है? आपका एरो जो है, see please.
Yes, ma'am, it is 45 degree.
There, take protractor in your hand.
Ma'am, it is 46 degree.
45 or 40?
46 degree.
Yeah, it is your angle done. So always see where the zero is. आपका एरो यहाँ है, जहां पर आपकी रे है, उस साइड से आप जीरो देखेंगे. And then second ray आपकी कहां पर जा रही है? Then you do it according to that. Understood there now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now your ray is here. Your base ray is here. So zero is this side. So from zero you observe the second ray is going where? Samriddhi, now you understood?
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. But ma'am, in my it's showing 150.
Maybe how it's showing 150, that is wrong because you seeing the outer scale. आपको बेस लाइन का जो रे है,
Ma'am, slant. That's why my is coming to 120. I've drawn little slant.
now listen to me again. Still you children are mute yourself. Samriddhi, mute yourself. Still you children are observing this protractor in a wrong way. Children, see the baseline arrow. When you put a center here, see the baseline arrow. उसमें zero कहाँ है? Zero inner में है कि zero outer में है? Zero से ही आपका start होगा और zero से inner में है. When you start from inner, the second ray is going where? Till where?
Ma'am, it is going till 40, sorry.
Yes. Got it now? Catherine ma'am? 1 minute.
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't understand now.
Samriddhi, you come in the next class early. Okay? Saturday.
Ma'am, I'm leaving first. Wait.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have 2 to 3 doubts.